Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Toyota, please help me subscribe to the channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2006 Toyota 4Runner. So right now the problem with the car is the window doesn't want to roll up and down, and then the door lock actuator has issue with the front left and the rear left. So let me see. When I press unlocked, so this is already unlocked. I'm gonna lock it. Now you can see it's pulling itself back. I'm gonna unlock it. So I'm gonna unlock it, lock it again, and it's gonna pull itself back. There you go. And then for the back, I'm gonna do the same thing. And sometimes the customer says it sounds like a machine gun. There you go. You see how it's acting up? Try it again for you to see. There you go. And then for the right side, it works normally. So if I press unlocked, there you go. You see how it stays unlocked? Locked. Fully stay closed. And then watch. I'm gonna show you from the outside. Show you from the outside. Even when I lock it, I can still open the door. So this is unlocked, locked, right? And I can still open it from the outside. Unlocked, and I'm gonna lock it. This one's acting up, this one's also acting up. So lock it, and I can still open it from the outside. Unlocked. I'm gonna check on this side so you guys can see. So right now it's unlocked and unlocked. See that? So this side is good. So right now I'm gonna turn on the car, and then I'm gonna show you guys the window doesn't want to go up and down. You can see it doesn't want to go up and down, but if I use it on the passenger side, all the other window work, even the back too. Roll up the window, roll down the window, everything work. But then for this driver window doesn't want to go up and down. I'm starting with the left rear door. To take out the door panel is really easy. Use a flathead, shove it into here, pry this little cover out. It sits inside like this, and then you can get access to this bolt right here. It's a Phillip. And then for this one, shove it in, pry it up. There you go. And then there's another screw right here. Unscrew that, and then all around the door panel it's just clips. You just have to pop it out. And then there's a connector right here. You're gonna press on this tab right here. Press on this tab, push it back like that, and then after that you can remove it. The door panel, once you pop out the bottom, push it up to pop it out of the door frame. Once you get to here, this one is going to be on the locked, and this one's going to be on the handle. You're going to pop it out from here and then pick up the cable. Same thing to this one. Pop it out from the green part and then pull it out of the slot. And then this one is for the Windows connector right here. Press on this tab, pull back. After you take off the door panel, you're gonna get to the door lock actuator. Well, I put in, this is my new one, I put it in already, but I'm just showing you guys. So you're gonna get to the connector right here. Press on this tab, pull back, and then there's 3 bolts holding on to the door lock actuator. There you go. They're all Torx. And then remember, inside here there's a you can see that little lock, that little pin that sits like this down. Make sure it goes into that slot right there. So after you get the 3 bolts out, just slide it out like that. Pretty simple. So the lock that I'm talking about is that thingy right there. It's gonna slide into this little silver piece right here. Swap over the cable wire. So you just use a flathead, pop this cover out to to get access to this cable right here, and then same thing to this one. Use a flathead, pop this part up, and then you can get access to this cable right here, and then you just pick them up and put them over to the new one. And this is my part number. This is original, so this is for the left rear, and that's the part number right there. Everything is exactly the same, and just go ahead and install it back in. I got the new door lock actuator in already. Tighten down my 3 bolts and put the connector back. Now I'm gonna show you the one I'm talking about. So you see that thing right there? That's for the outside handle. Make sure it goes through the groove. So when you pull the handle from the outside, it should push it down, so that way you can unlock it. So there you go, that's it. And then this one, the one that you can pull, goes to the handle of the door, and then this one is the lock. And then just go ahead and put the door panel back. Putting the door panel back, the light connector, the window switch, and the 2 cable. So before you put them back, make sure you check the handle. When you pull it, you should hear it unlock from the door actuator. There you go, and you can see it's pulling the cable. So just go ahead and put the panel back. Tighten down my Phillip and put the cover back. Same thing to this one, tighten this one down, put the cover back. There you go. Check the lock, it worked. Check the handle, it worked. And make sure you guys check here, make sure you guys don't have this child safety lock down. If you have it down and you close the door, and from the inside you cannot open it, only from the outside. So make sure you have this one unlocked. There you go. Let me test it. There you go, unlocked and locked. Let me try with the alarm, with the key. So I locked it, it's locked. That's good. You guys remember I had it locked before and it didn't want to lock. I can open it still, but this time I can lock it, can't open it. Now I'm gonna unlock. There you go, it worked. Let me try from the inside. There you go, there you go, that's good, locked. You guys remember when I locked it, it acted up like a machine gun, like that. Now it's good. Let me try unlock it. There you go. So if you guys sit inside and you guys can't open the door, that's mean don't worry about it. That's mean you have the child safety lock down. You want it up to open from the inside. The reason why you have that down is because you don't want your kids to open the door while you're driving. For the driver's side door panel, it's the same thing. You're gonna take out this cover, this 1 bolt right here, 1 bolt right here. Take out this little piece of cover right here too. Take out this clips, and then from there you can pop it out. It's all clips, same thing. Lift it up, pop it out, and then once you get here, once you get to here, same thing. The door handle cable, the lock cable, the master window switch right here. You're gonna press on this tab, pull back, and this one is for the mirror, your mirror. So press on this tab, pull down. This one same thing. The door panel light, press on this tab, pull. The door lock actuator, the connector, press, pull. There you go. That's 3 bolts, same thing. And then you're gonna take out this bolt where the window, the glass frame. Take this out so you have access to the back of the door lock actuator here. You take out the 3 bolts for the door lock actuator, the glass rail frame. You're gonna pop this little cover out. This is a Torx. You're gonna loosen it out, and then from there you're gonna pop out the door lock cylinder, put in the flathead like this, pop it out. That way you have room to move the door lock actuator out. Now let me show you from the inside. It's a little bit harder to show you, but you can see this is the glass frame. Now move that out of the way, and then there's another pin right here. So once you take out the door lock actuator, you move the key cylinder out a little bit, that way you have room, and then just slide this down. So when you put this back, slide this pin into that slot. Now I'm gonna take out the bolt. So you can see now I took out the bolt already, and then just slide it down. There you go. Take the whole thing out. But this is my new one. This is my new one. So I'm just showing you guys. So this is my new one, and this is my old one right here. I swapped over the cable from the old one to the new one. It's exact same thing, original. This is the part number, or you can try this part number right here. That's also the part number. This is the part number. So this one is for the driver's side door lock actuator. And then for that shaft that I'm talking about, when you put it back, you're gonna slide it back into this yellow clip right here. And then for this little thing right here, that's like a plus sign, this is where you gonna align it with the door lock cylinder. So once you put in the door lock actuator, everything in place, you snap this in, it's gonna be aligned like this. It's gonna be aligned exactly like that for the key. So once you turn the key, it can lock and unlock the door lock actuator. Got my door lock actuator in already. Tighten down the 3 bolts, and then let me show you from the inside again the angle. So I didn't put the window frame up yet. So here you go. You're gonna put that shaft. You're gonna put that pin through the yellow slot right there, and then put back the glass rail frame. And then once you get there, you're gonna align. You see that little slot right there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'll try that little slot right there. You're gonna align it like that. So here, let me try. Pull the handle a little bit, and then just slide it in. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. There you go. Pops in, and then you just gotta tighten down this Torx bolt right here. Once you got the door lock actuator backed in, you can put it back. But for this one, I gotta put in my new master window switch, because this one, the switch doesn't work either. Remember before I showed you guys, the driver window doesn't want to go up and down. After I replace the master switch, I'm gonna put back the whole door panel. This one's for the door handle. This one's for the lock on top. You can put back everything. So I said I was gonna show you guys how to put the door panel back on for the driver's side and the master switch, but I forgot to do a video on that. But it's the same thing as the rear door. It's very simple. Just put everything back. Now I'm gonna show you that everything works. So you remember before when I locked it, I can still open it, but now with the new door lock actuator, everything works. See, before when I press locked, I can still open it, but now I can't. So you go now unlocked, I can open it. There you go. Now I'm gonna show you for the inside. The window is working now too. The new switch. There you go. It's working now. All right. That is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I see y'all in the next video. Peace.